All right, people. Okay, what's been going on? Shoot, man, I've been depressed for the last few days. The last trip, I don't even know. I delivered to Mass, and then to catch you up, I delivered to Massachusetts, and then I started driving back. Home. I'm going home this weekend. Got to pick up my absentee ballot. And then I got a call for a load to pick up out of, what is it? Leola, Pennsylvania, going to Middlefield, Ohio. And so right now I'm sitting in Brookville at the TA. And the last couple of days my engine light has been on. So I don't know what it was, man, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and see if the TA reads KWs, codes. I go in, it's $108, and just to read it. They don't fix it. But I didn't feel like taking it to Kenworth and paying them $100 whatever dollars. You know, I forget it. You know, so I just brought it here to read the code. And do you know, once I drove it to the door, the light went off. So I have, they gave me a printout of the codes. I have 3 pages. Actually 2 pages. This is like just the beginning part. I don't know. But I have 126 faults of the left turn signal. 126 faults from the right turn signal. 126 faults from the cab primary controller to the secondary fuel level voltage above normal or shorted to high source. 2 faults of antenna is dirty or partially blocked. The headway controller. Opening secondary fuel level circuit, 126. Coolant level, 13. Anyway, none of these tractor, truck, left rear turn, stop, fault, left, okay. Engine total hours of operation, total power takeoff hours message, okay. So basically, my truck is doing good. For 490,000 miles, I don't have a lot of, my DPF soot level is low and my DPF D rate is low. So, I don't know if you can see that. So, yeah. Alright, I'm about to watch the, Raised by Wolves. So, this thing cost me $102. For 5 minutes, literally, maybe 10. All right, gotta go. Peace.